So we're at battle with waste every single day. And because of that, you have to think differently. How many times have you been working in an area and it's always been that way, so you don't even think to change it? Well, let's join KB as he shows us an example of a way to get rid of wasted motion by just thinking lean.
I'm working on these pitch receiver tubes, which have two parts. They have to be taken out of the bin and hammered together. So just kind of putting this ring over the top. And then once finished, they have to come over here and be dropped into a fixture like the ones you see here. And I was realizing I was trying to one-piece flow them, but that was causing me to walk this path back and forth a whole bunch. And I try to stay out of this area mentally because there's a light curtain in here that won't allow the robot to do certain things while you're in there. However, all this is on wheels. So during this step, while loading the fixture, I can push this guy over here in a nice little L shape that allows me to pull apart from my bin, hammer the ring on. Once again, just turn without taking any steps and drop it into the fixture, saving a ton of wasted motion. So that in itself is a quick, simple improvement. From here, I'll roll the table back in, put on some PPE, of course, and these can be removed and inserted in their bin. Again, just with one rotation rather than the walk back and forth. So you save a lot of motion. You're just rolling this table in and out twice during the whole process instead of walking back and forth potentially 11 plus times for each of these tubes.